In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two videos on Capcut. This simple guide will walk you through the process and ensure you can seamlessly merge your videos in just a few minutes. Capcut is a popular video editing app that offers a range of tools for both beginners and more experienced editors, making it the perfect choice for this task. Let's start by opening the Capcut application on your device. Once it's open, you'll want to tap on New Project. This button is your gateway to beginning any video editing project in Capcut, allowing you to effortlessly start crafting your new creation. Next, you'll be prompted to select your first video file. Take your time scrolling through your library to find the perfect clip you want to use. Once you've located it, just tap Add to include it in your project. This step sets the stage for your video, serving as the foundation where you'll add more content. With your first video successfully added, we'll proceed to incorporate the second video. On the timeline, look for the prominent plus icon. This feature allows you to easily append more video clips to your project. It's intuitive and simple, making the editing process efficient. Go ahead and select your second video file now. Just like before, you'll tap Add once you've decided on the video you want to include. This action places the new video clip directly alongside your first, creating a seamless flow between the two. Remember that order matters here, so select carefully to match the narrative or sequence you have in mind. Finally, with both video clips now combined and aligned to your satisfaction, you'll want to save your work. To do this, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap Export. This crucial step ensures all your edits are finalized and that your new combined video is stored in a shareable format. During the export process, you'll have the option to select your preferred resolution and quality settings. Consider your platform of choice where you'll be sharing this video and choose accordingly. Congratulations! You've now successfully combined two videos using Capcut. This straightforward method is perfect for creating content that's coherent and professional looking, whether you're making a montage, a promotional video, or just sharing memorable moments. With these skills in hand, you can continue to explore more advanced features within Capcut, refining your edits even further in future projects. Remember to keep experimenting with the wealth of options Capcut offers. From filters to transitions, the possibilities for enhancing your videos are virtually limitless. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.